Hey, we're going to take a tour of, well, the build space. We have Hot Wheels all over the wall, and there's a lot of model kits everywhere. These go too deep. Even beside the chair and the bench. You can see what I'm working on. The Peterbilt out. Even on top of the bench. With model boxes on the wall. License plates over here. Parts and stuff everywhere. There's Devin.
What?
Say hi.
Hello.
What are you working on?
I'm working on an engine.
Let's see.
What's it look like?
What kit?
It's that one right there. It's
The Italy Western Star?
Yeah.
Alright. Devin's also working on a pickup truck too. Look at that. Two of them. He's got some cars up here. Devin's a truck guy. So am I. This shelf here is full of builds. And the bottom of it's just full of a little bit of everything. He's even got parts everywhere. You can't even see it though. Damn. More die casts over here. Paint shelf. Parts all over too. That's just about it.
What?
Hey everybody. So there you have it. That's it. Gonna get back to building.